huna Lesothoan. Hahuna Lesothoan. Hona le Mosotho kapa Basotho. There is no Lesothoan. There are only Basotho or Mosotho, singular. The country is Lesotho. The language is Sesotho. The people are Basotho, plural. If you're talking about one citizen of that country, then you call them Mosotho. It's similar to Botswana. In Botswana, I've seen several people write Botswanan. There is no Botswanan person. Motswana is one of them, Motswana. And if there are more than one, then it becomes Botswana. And their language is Setswana. So as you can see, with our language, we change the prefix, not the suffix. I don't know if there's any other language like that outside of Southern Africa. They are the Bantu speaking people, more or less similar to Balozi, Borotseland, the Lozi speaking people of Zambia. One Molozi, one person is Molozi, and more than one is Balozi, and the language is Silozi. Silozi. Similarly, if you go into the Nguni speaking world, their language are, let's say, the Zulus, for instance. We will say isiZulu. isiZulu is their language. isiZulu. And then if you talk about one person, it's umZulu. umZulu. And if you talk about more than one, then it's amazulu. amazulu. It's the same thing with the Swazi. The Swazi speaking people is the language is eSwatini. eSwatini. And the people are, one of them is Umswati. And more than one, they become Amaswati. Same for Amaxhosa or Amandebele. So in the Bantu speaking languages, we change the prefix, not the suffix. We maintain the root the same. So as we have seen, we say Sesotho for the language, and we say Mosotho for one person, and we said Basotho for the people. And in the case of Botswana, we said Motswana, Batswana, Setswana. In the case of the Xhosa, we said Amaxhosa, the people, Umxhosa, one person, isiXhosa. In the case of the Zulu, we say umZulu, amaZulu, isiZulu. In the case of the Ndebele speaking people, we will say amandebele, umundebele, izindebele. So we change the prefix and leave the root unchanged. Whereas in the English language, the suffix changes. So if you struggle with the Sotho speaking or Tswana speaking or Bantu speaking, it's better to just maintain the root. Just use the root. So if you don't know whether it's Sesotho, isiZulu, isiSwati, or anything, just say Swati or say Zulu, say Sotho, say Tswana. That's better rather than Lesothoan, rather than Botswanan or Zuluan or Xhosaland, if there's anything like that. Nothing like that exists. I hope this helps. Many thanks.